Love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. Last night, I walked up Apparition Hill hoping that Mary would give me some beautiful words to say today. And I got up there and someone was playing the guitar and singing a song in another language, and they never shut up for like half an hour. And then someone ripped a huge fart, and I had to flee, laughing. So I don't have any wise words for you today, except you spot it, you got it. The things that inspire anger in my heart, televised masses, unfruitful marriages, people singing in places where they're supposed to be silent. All these things point to something going on here. Why the anger? Why the frustration? Because Christ is calling me to conversion. He's calling me to love like he loves. Christ came while I am still a sinner. He came for me, an enemy. He loved me before I even knew to love him. Like the dewfall, the rain, the sun, he comes in spite of my own weakness. And so I want to encourage you to pay attention to what stirs your heart and to look deeper, to ask Mary to gently lead you closer to her son and to forgive. Because if we aren't loving like he loved us, then we aren't really following him.